They're not right. They're just less wrong. Ooh, that makes a lot of sense.
Is this for a
No, it's just because I gave Emily one, and now I don't have enough spares on hand.
How many spares do you like to keep?
Well, I like to keep 2 of this one because this one I've probably made 5 or 6 of these bases so far, and they're kind of nice. I like them. So, just trying to get this at right height. The more I use this saw, the less I like it, tell you the truth. I got to put protection on when I use this buddy.
So what's good about this and what's bad about it?
Well, bad about it is I've destroyed it, and the fence is all bent, and it makes it even more dangerous with a bent fence. Oh, the dogs chewed up another mask last night. So I don't know. I left it out. You know, if I leave it out, get distracted and leave it out, then history. You know.
So what do you like about it? Like, why do you still use the saw if you don't like it?
Well, it's efficient. It's what it does. You know, it makes angles repeatable real easy, but it's not very user-friendly at the moment. I have to be careful and suit up. You know, put protection on everywhere I can. Okay, I made my mark. Yep, good there. When I lay my mask down, the dogs eat it, so I'm gonna.
So what are the specs on this basis? You made it for $1 million.
I don't care how thick it is, as long as it's not thin. 4 inches this way, and 36 that way, and you just kind of play from there. Yeah, it's real Gothic looking, you know. It's pretty strong.
And what's the spec of like the tabletop that would go on this? Like, at what point is it too small? You know, like.
Oh, I think you could put a 40-inch table on here, pretty easy. This is 36, you know, maybe 40, maybe 48 would be about the smallest I'd want to go on there, I think, 48.
And how do you determine the height?
Well, I want my tabletop to be in the realm of 30 inches tall, and right now it's too tall, so it could be shortened a little bit if it need be. But it's in the realm right now, according to what size top you put on there. 31, 30. Saw that on the bandsaw a little bit more because I don't like the curve of that particular piece. It's not straight. If you look at it from this end, that piece is not straight. I'm going to make a straightening cut, but I just want to make sure I know where I'm cutting. Because this is the final thickness, and I might just remove a little bit from each side in order to get it. I screwed up on this piece. That's why I'm making it again. So I cut these ends too early, and now I wish I had a 1/2 inch more, and I would have slid it down and cut them differently. But my bad.
It happens.
It happens. I don't cry over it. I just try to make the thing turn out right, you know. Fortunately, I have the world covered in walnut here because I have spent a lot of money buying black walnut logs and sawing them. So it's not by any act of anybody's fortitude. It's just what I saved up, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Why are you doing that? Like, what do you have to do?
I'm going to straighten this a little bit. It's too fat here.
Why do you have to start the...
Oh, I don't know. I think my saw is getting old, and so I just turn it until I feel a loose spot, till I feel it not really, like the wheel feels kind of free right there. So I know it'll start right there. See, now that's straight. Now I can send it through the planer. I don't have to send it through more than a couple times. So now I gotta marry these two again. Yeah, that just fell right in there. Try to figure out which side of that board's the best. There's a lot of defects in this area where I'm gonna put this joint, so. There's one side. Maybe that much.
Why do you use 2 dominoes and not 1?
It has more holding power. More holding power. I don't like how that is sitting right there. Could be that just because this isn't down yet, that's why it's up. I should have pulled these out first. Yeah. Well, because I need to mark this with the for the machine to get that right. That's good that that's a little high there. I'm not sure why that's teetery. But I can fix that.
If you like the videos, please subscribe. It helps me do more videos and bring more content to more users. Thank you.
I think this board's twisted a little bit. I can fix that though. So I need to true that up a little bit. That is not a very good angle. Will be in a minute.
How long have you been using this base?
Not that long. Maybe I've probably made 4 of 5 of them. Not that long. I'm just going to get that out here on the super noisemaker.
Is everything in here a noisemaker?
Yeah, but that one out there is outside for a reason. That's probably going to interfere with their. I'm probably going to have to redo that. All right, so far so good. I want to get these things clamped together, make sure that the joints all look flat before I put on the final. That looks pretty flat actually. I'm going to do that from the other side. That's no holes yet. Good, that's good. Okay, let's do this one here first. I'll just extend those on up. So it's good about making your holes bigger than they have to be. Sometimes you can just extend it right up. People are talking about, what are you, a meth head or something? No, I think fast, so I work fast. Nice though, good try. This is me all my life. Think fast, work fast. School was boring.
Why is it sitting up right now? You just didn't measure.
Yeah, I'm looking at that going, I don't know. But I noticed this bottom is up too. Look at that, see that? It's up. That's really off now. I think it's because these two middle ones are different length. Let's see, that's a 24, let's see, 24 and 5/8. That's pretty close to that. that's the same. Yeah. This could be longer. Let's see. Is that too long? 4, 5, it's an 1/8 inch too long. Is that the 1/8 inch? It does look like it, doesn't it? But when you do this, I know my table goes like this, so this is not a real true indicator. That's why I clamp everything to make sure that it can do it. I'm fairly certain that it'll be fine. I just, because I measured the legs are all right. This has to be clamped. Let me put a little clamp on that. That'll show me more about where I'm having a problem. Okay, it's the top inlay. Are these two different thicknesses? Yeah, they are. It's okay, I'll surface this when I'm done. Oh, man, that does not look good. Going deeper here. Okay, here we go. You see how much I was off. This is almost right. I can make that board thinner. I think that is the issue. This board's too wide, that one's too narrow. So I'm going to cut this one down 2 size. And then we'll be in good shape. I'm going to take a little off of that. If I get enough glue in there, we'll be all good. That looks pretty good there. That looks a lot better. Now all the angles are right. I think that was the issue all along. Was that one little piece of goober that was sticking out on there. And I won't get it flat until I put it on the machine over there, so I can take a 1/4 inch off of any leg and make it work. All right, now to put in the dominoes. I'm going to make sure I get my dominoes in the right place here. Looks right, so that works. And on the other side for that one. So now, I want to make sure I get this lined up in the way I want and give myself an indicator line so I don't cut it the wrong direction. I've done that before. Experience, you know. Okay, let's see how this works. I'm not going to do a repeat of what I did last time, so. What a truth, huh? I'm not sure which end goes where, to tell you the truth. It'll fit either way, but the dominoes may not line up one way or the other. This looks about right. It's all how you hold your tongue. It's all in the tongue, man. Okay. I don't like it. It's still not perfect over here. I got one side I'm not crazy about. That. Oh yeah, that's an angle. That's why. I can get rid of that. Oh yeah, I see the angle too. Okay. Oh yeah. Is that the same problem as over here? Ooh, something's not set up straight. I think it's the saw over here that I cuss a lot. Bugaboo you. Okay. Mwah! I got it now. Oh yeah. Ooh, that makes a lot of sense. It's like having a sticker in your shoe and it's actually a nail in the bottom of your sock. That makes a whole lot of sense. I don't know how come these others are right though. They're probably not. They're probably just, oh yeah, they're not right. They're not right. They're just less wrong. That's probably what happened when I sawed that round thing and it got stuck in that blade and it made a big bang.
Oh, yeah.
I did that twice in a row just because.
Check the saw before you cut every time.
No. I'm the only one that uses this shop. And as long as I know it's cutting right, why check it? You know what I mean? It's my bad. My bad. I didn't check it after that explosion and when it destroyed my fence on that thing. And so it didn't dawn on me to check it. Will now. You know, that's the center of the tree. That's the pith line. That's where the board is real weak. But
Why is it okay to use it as weak?
well, it's because you're using it this way, and you're not using it this way. You know, this way is weak. You could break these off like that. But this way, strong as that, just as strong.
Gotcha.
I'm going to fill it with resin anyway. It'll be just a black line.